is Carrie and I just received this Airflow Titanium Flat Iron 2-in-1 Aroma Hair Straightener and Curler. Oh my gosh, aroma! So nice. Let's open and see what is here. Oh wow. So, here we go. Here we have like for hair. And this. And here our iron. Pink, so beautiful. Look at this. I love it. So let's plug it and wait. Okay, and here, open. Yep. Off. 350. Wow, it smells so good. Let's see. Oh wow, I feel here air. So nice. So we can do without hair. Plus minus we can do here. So I really love here. Here it's so unusual. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Let's see. Oh, it smells so good. So see? So nice. And right now I will try curl it. See? It was just a couple of seconds. It's already heated. So I love it. Beautiful. Yeah, we have here two types of air, like this one and this. Oh, it smells so good. So this is Aroma Hair. I love it. I definitely can recommend it. 10 from 10. So beautiful. And very good holder.